Welcome back. Greg and Paul are part of a group, The Men Who Paint, and have traveled for 10 years capturing our Canadian landscape, and they join us this afternoon with details on their upcoming exhibition. And this is such a neat group. I love the story. How did you form? How did you get together? And how did you go out on this adventure?
Well, we met about 10 years ago at a place called the Kinderdine campus, which was an outlying campus of the U of S at Emma Lake. And we started painting together. We've been painting together for 10 years, and we paint around Saskatchewan a lot. But every year we try and go further afield. So we've been to the Yukon, and we just got back from Ontario. We're painting at Algonquin Park, which is what our show is about this year.
How do you choose where to go? Because coast to coast, we have such changing landscape. Every province looks completely different, and it all seems so beautiful. So how do you narrow it down?
I think for us, it's about where our interests are. Algonquin was interesting because of the Group 7 and the work that Tom Thompson did there. So there was a lot of interest in going there. But there's always a piece of it that's very intriguing for us. Sometimes it's places we haven't been, but oftentimes it's where we've been before, and we recognize the beauty of this province or the beauty of Canada. So we try and incorporate that and visit those sites as often as we can.
Oh, it's just incredible. And when you paint and create these masterpieces, are you there sitting out there in nature together all at the same time?
We do both. All of us have studios as well. But all five of us really enjoy painting outside. There's a certain vibe or something that you capture when you're actually in the space that you don't necessarily capture as well from the studio. And so that's been a big part of us working together. Also, I think working as an artist is a very lonely sort of thing, and so this gives us an opportunity to bounce ideas off of each other and a certain camaraderie and enjoy ourselves.
I love it. This is so neat. We just have a little bit of time left, so if folks want to see more, we gave you a little snippet of what you can expect. The exhibition is this weekend, correct?
It's this weekend at the Wascana Club. We open tomorrow at 7. 6 o'clock is when we open. Our reception is 7 till 10. There will be 4 artists there for the entire weekend. Also on Sunday, we're open from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m.
Perfect. Well, do not delay. If you want to see more, go check it out. menwhopaint.com, the website. Thank you both so much for being with us today.
Thank you for having us.
Oh, you're very welcome.